Hello, happy Saturday. I'm Michelle and I'm a nurse, a Filipino living in Sydney now. So it's Saturday, so I'm actually on call 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. That's why I really couldn't do anything much, but what I can do is get groceries. So let's go get groceries. We just came from a shop. We bought something and now we're heading to, where are we going now? Going to get pork chops. So this neighborhood, every Thursday, Friday, Saturday, there's always markets here. They're opening now. It's still before 10. So naghanap na siya dito. So now let's go to our butchery, our butcher. So we ordered pork chops. Thank you. And now getting a kilo. It's busy butchery. They are taking our order because we want something with a little bit of fat. Kasi I'll make pork sinigang, so I need a bit of fat in my pork. So they're making it, and I just went out because there's just too many people inside. The shop is a little bit small, but they have the freshest meat and you can get cuts, what that you like. And I go and find fish. Kung naabay, there's something good here in the seafood shop. See, kung naabay ning good ari. Wala pa sila special. Like 2.98. Actually, it's really good price here for fruits in Australia. Like a kilo of that is 2.98. Tapos look at the orange just there. It's 2.88 only. Tapos ang watermelon is 1.98 per kilo. So, guwapo kayo ang prices. Sige, dragon fruit, $8. Kasi in US is more expensive. And you have some mandarins here. It's 1.88 per kilo only. So we're going to get some. We got some now. Yay! Well, they have pineapples. 1.88 each only. Hey, you have pineapple.
Okay, but you smell
How do we
it.
open it?
Don't you smell it? So you can tell.
Yeah, but how do we cut it?
You just cut off the I know how to cut it. Don't worry. That was a good one.
Are you sure? We need my dad to cut this because my dad knows how to open a pineapple. Dad, Papa, help us open a pineapple. We don't know how to peel one. My dad is very good at this. Like in a minute, he cuts it open. I don't think we should buy it because we don't know how to. Thank you. And then we need a tomato.
No, we don't need tomatoes.
Tomato for our shawarma, and then I'll make sinigang, the sour soup, Filipino style.
Good enough?
Yeah, and that's only 3.88 per kilo. That's 1.98 per kilo. So can you get for our vegetable, for our salad? Yeah, can you get four pieces? Yeah, thank you. So we got cucumbers, yay! And papaya, it's 3.88. You know this is free because we have this in the backyard in my parents' house. Papaya. Oh, mangoes is 2.98 each. Mangoes are in season now because it's spring now and then it's gonna be summer soon, so it's in season. There you go. What about rock melons? Are you gonna buy rock melons? It's heavy. Honeydew melon. See that it's only 1.88 each. This is the fruit shop here. We usually come here. Lemons. It's nice. Here. Watermelon. Can I get watermelon? This one is better. Yeah.
One.
Yeah.
That's it.
Let's eat. And we have some greeneries. Veggies. Do I need veggies for my... I need veggies. Actually, Irene, that's why we like it here. Because it's not too bad, the price. lettuce. 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 Well, we do need sila kanin. Parato ilahang Chinese cabbage. It's only 2.98 and it's big now. It's huge. It's 2.98 only for the Chinese cabbage. Hello. So I didn't have time to take videos when we were in the grocery to get some pantry supplies. So I'll show you what we got. So we got that oyster sauce, cumin, because we're planning to make pita bread later, beef pita breads. Sriracha, oyster sauce. We got some avos, garlic, tapos namili lettuce, and then we have a watermelon, big watermelon. Ta-da! And then I have my hummus, because I love that. My corn chips. So we usually buy mga fresh things. We don't really buy too much junk food. Of course, we buy the, ice cream, but chips. But mostly it's all fresh. Cucumber. Then we got, the tomatoes. Very nice. Very fresh. Tapos, our pork chops. Remember we went and got the pork chops? We got the pork chops. Tapos, what is it here? The pears. And then we got, what's that? Orange, mandarins. And then we got toilet paper, a big pack. So, hold on. And then we got this one. So I think in total we paid $20 for the fruits and veggies. And then the pork chop was like $12, so $32. And I think all the pantry supplies that I showed you is $35. So, how much is that? So more or less we have $50+, okay? And we also got minced meat, by the way. So we got minced meat. Yeah, so we got minced meat, 500 grams. So that's 55, right? Around roughly $55 for the two of us, and that will be our food for the week. Actually, that's enough for a week. Tapos, and then we also have we already have chicken breast now in stock, so we didn't buy more meat. So yeah, it's pretty. I mean, everyone is saying, oh, it's the groceries are getting expensive. It is because of inflation, but it is actually still doable. You just have to find good bargains, buy specials, so fruits and veggies on specials. So yeah, and there's so many on specials right now. We always buy everything, like the seasonal fruits. It is fresh. Also, kasi diba, it's just there's so much supply, and then we just shop wisely, and we tend to think of things that we normally want to buy. We normally just really use every day, or those that sometimes we want to get something and then we don't really eat it, or we end up throwing it away, so we took it out from our list. So yeah, I think this is a pretty good bargain for two people for a week. Bye. Thank you for watching. I'm waiting now for my call for work, so I'll put this away. Tapos, we have to go find something. I think we're gonna buy a plant, and hopefully they still won't call me to work by then. Then I have to go to the gym. Bye.